Civil authorities from pretty much fucking everywhere have issued a lesbian farmer invasion alert, effective until midnight February 28th. There have been multiple reports of a stampede of 10 to 60-year-old lesbian farmers who reeks of used dildos and vibrators have overtaken local communities. They are all armed with dildos and vibrators and they want to have some anal sex right now. The lesbian farmers have mostly terrorized sex shop workers with dildos and vibrators in the following states: Ohio, Michigan, Wisconsin, Minnesota, Oklahoma and Illinois. And for some reason, Saudi Arabia. Is this the end of the world? Probably. This is a big goddamn disaster in the making. It even has people like the potentially correct redneck saying,
I fully support the right of my daughter to express her love for her girlfriend in public. Pretty high.
Braun Strowman ran all the way to Wisconsin to help fight off the lesbian farmers, but so far it ain't fucking working. What's that? We are now receiving word that lesbian farmers are walking naked into intersections and yelling at cars to slow down while masturbating and squirting in random directions. LOL. Anyway, as I was saying, wait a second. Why do I hear footsteps? Oh goddamn cow shit, that looks like more shit. 607 lesbian farmers just entered the EAS headquarters. No! Do not shove that vibrator up my...
Aw, poor baby.